Hey guys, welcome to my garage. Most of the time I'm working on something a little older than this, but I've got a 1984 Buick Grand National. Trying to get tuned up and get it running good, and so far I've just been hitting some obstacles, and I think I finally found the issue. And it's something that I've never seen before, and most of the time, the stuff that I'm working on has a distributor and a carburetor and all that, so this is new territory for me. And what I found after replacing the mass airflow sensor and several other sensors and pieces on this turbo V6 is that the coil pack, this ignition control pack and ignition module underneath it, that could be the issue with it running bad. So I wanted to replace it, and they don't make a 1984 Grand National coil pack anymore. So you have to get an 86 or 87, which doesn't bolt directly on. You have to get a conversion kit, which costs a couple $100, and it updates it to the 86, 87 coil. So I started taking it apart and found something really interesting. This is something I've never seen, and maybe the Grand National guys are familiar with it, but I definitely wasn't. So as I was taking this apart, I got all the bolts out and the spark plug wires off of it, and the coil was stuck to the ignition module, and I rocked it back and forth, and I finally got it unstuck, and now it's stuck again. Let's see if I can get it. So the reason this is stuck is that, there we go, the potting compound in the ignition module melted, and it melted itself to the coil. And as you can see, I've already started unhooking some wires here, but this, after I had run it a little bit the other day, this stuff was sticky and gooey and stretched out like cheese when I took this thing apart, and I actually took a picture of it. So this has got to be the issue with the car. At least I hope it is, because I've been troubleshooting it for the last few months, and I'm hoping that a new coil without the peanut butter or cheese or whatever that is in there, hopefully that will make this thing run a little better and idle smooth and make good horsepower and have a little bit of fun.